Hi, in this video we're going to show you a tool you could use to end a running program at a specific time or a certain interval. And you could also use it to start a program at a specific time or interval. So it's called auto close. So we're using the free version, which allows you to schedule 2 tasks. And then for those 2 tasks, you could schedule it up to 30 minutes. So the pro version is around $30. And of course you have unlimited tasks and time intervals that you could use with that. All right, so once you install it, you have your main list here. So you click on Add a Task. So if the program is already running, you could just pick it from the list, or you could select an executable right here for something that you want to start, for example. Or if you have something open as well, you could drag this into the open program. So let's say we have this open here. You can see it selected Chrome for us, but it's usually easier just to pick it from the list than trying to drag the little cursor onto it. All right, so now we're going to do the auto close option. There's also auto run, and you have interval here after so many days, hours, minutes, and so on. And then you could pick a specific time, which is what we're going to do. And then when it's done, you have some options here as well. You could also quit the program, and then you could repeat it as well. Okay, so right now it's 3:30, so we'll change this to 3:31. Click on Add. All right, just got it just in time there. It just turned to 3:31, so you can see it closed it. All right, so now let's try to add a task here, and let's do auto run this time. And select a program. We'll choose this executable for Atlantis word processor here. And you can see down here they have to be executable files. So it's not going to work for like a Windows app and that type of thing. All right, so we'll have this start at 32 here. All right, so now we just have to wait till 3:32 and see if it starts. And there you go, opened up the program just like that. And then you can see it took it out of the list as well. All right, so let's add another task here. Let's do Chrome again. This we could see the screen here. Let's change this to 35. Just wanted to show you the other columns here. It shows you the close time, any loop settings, run settings, and what it does after the task. And if you change your mind, you could come back here and delete it. Then you could actually save your tasks, load your tasks, and there's some settings here as well. So what to do after the tasks finish. And if you want to have it start with Windows, you could choose this option and automatically load your task list if you want to have it load a specific list every time. So if you're going to save your tasks, I would load them in here and either don't set the times or set it far in advance before you go to save it in case something runs and then it takes it out of your list. And on the top here we have some settings to add a task, delete, remove all. Same options we saw before, languages, and about. All right, so as you can see, it's a pretty useful program here if you have specific programs you want to close at a certain time or run at a certain time. But like I said, you only get to do 2 tasks at a time, and you have that 30-minute restraint as well. So if it's something you think you might use, you could check out the pro version. Like I said, it's only 30 bucks, so it's pretty cheap for something that might be pretty useful to you. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download Auto Close, and you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.